Good day, I am Adarshini and I am here to discuss about the disqualifications of an auditor under section 141 subsection 3 of the Companies Act 2013. Before we move to the disqualifications, let us first see the qualifications of an auditor. Subsection 1. Who is qualified to be an auditor? If it is an individual auditor, a chartered accountant is qualified to be an auditor. And if it is an audit firm, majority of partners in the audit firm should be chartered accountants. Subsection 2. Who has the authority to act and sign on behalf of the firm? Only the partners in the firm who are chartered accountants are given such authority to act and sign on behalf of the firm. Here, audit firm includes a limited liability partnership registered under the LLP Act 2008. Now let us see the disqualifications of an auditor. Who are disqualified from being an auditor? Section 141, subsection 3. Clause A. A body corporate other than a limited liability partnership registered under the LLP Act 2008, an officer or employee of the company, a person who is a partner or who is in the employment of an officer or employee of the company, a person who or his relative or partner is holding any security of or interest in the company or its subsidiary or of its holding or associate company or a subsidiary of such holding company, is indebted to the company or its subsidiary or its holding or associate company or a subsidiary of such holding company in excess of rupees 5 lakh, has given a guarantee or provided any security in connection with the indebtedness of any third person to the company or its subsidiary or its holding or associate company or a subsidiary of such holding company. E. A person or a firm who, whether directly or indirectly, has business relationship with the company or its subsidiary or its holding or associate company or subsidiary of such holding company or associate company of such nature as may be prescribed. F. A person whose relative is a director or is in the employment of the company as a director or a key managerial person. G. A person who is in full-time employment elsewhere or a person or a partner of a firm holding appointment as its auditor if such person or partner is at the date of such appointment or reappointment holding appointment as auditor of more than 20 companies. A person who has been convicted by a court of an offence involving fraud and a period of 10 years has not elapsed from the date of such conviction. And lastly, clause I. Any person whose subsidiary or associate company or any other form of entity is engaged as on the date of appointment in consulting and specialized services as provided in section 144. Before we end, what are the specialized services provided under section 144? They are also known as management services or as non-audit services. They are accounting and bookkeeping services, internal audit, design and implementation of any financial information system, actuarial services, investment advisory services, investment banking services, rendering of outsourced financial services, and services as may be prescribed. Thank you.